In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to make a cashier avatar in Roblox. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. As you can see, I'm going to do this on the Roblox website, but you can also do this on the Roblox player or the Roblox mobile app on the avatar editor. So just go to the avatar page, and what you have to do first is unequip any custom body models you have. So go ahead and unequip any custom legs, arms, or torsos you have in order to be reset to the default avatar. After it loads, this is how it's going to look like. The next step is to change your skin tone, so hover over head and body, choose skin tone, and change the corresponding skin tone that you want to use. Also click on advanced and change the skin tone for your torso. I recommend using green if you just want to have a green t-shirt like this. Click done, and you can also change the color of the legs to maybe a dark blue color, which is usually used to represent the dark blue jeans cashiers wear. Now, the last step, and the one I recommend the most, is to equip the Roblox visor. This is the item most often used to make a cashier on Roblox, and as you can see, it's only obtained by buying a Roblox toy pack, so I don't have it to show it right now. However, this is how it looks like, and like I said, you can obtain a code for it by buying a toy pack, and afterwards, your avatar will be looking like a cashier in Roblox. I hope I was able to help you on how to make a cashier avatar in Roblox. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.